Hey guys, in today's video I'll be running through how to stake on the crypto exchange Swyftx. Plus I'll look at the fees, what some of the risks are, and what it actually means to stake. And just as a heads up, this video is sponsored by Swyftx, which is currently available in Australia and New Zealand, and it's coming soon to other countries. So if you're interested in checking out the platform, I've left a link in the description below. Before I continue, I have to say this is not financial advice. Okay, on to the video. So what is staking? Basically, certain cryptocurrency networks rely on users locking up their coins on the blockchain. The network will then use these locked up coins for a bunch of different functions. For example, they might be used to validate transactions, ensure economic stability, act as collateral, or be used to distribute voting power for governance decisions. And in exchange for locking up your tokens, the blockchain rewards stakers, usually in the form of additional tokens. Okay, so how much can you make? Well, the rewards you earn depend on how much coin you're staking and how much you're putting in. For example, the highest reward rate currently on Swyftx is for Kava coins, which yield 20% RPY. And it's worth pointing out here that Swyftx uses rewards per year, which is RPY, as a way of measuring your returns. This is a bit different from other compounding rates you'd typically see, like for example on a term deposit, because it takes into account the daily compounding of your rewards. And we'll run through an example of this later on in the video, or you can just skip ahead and jump straight to the steps. Also on Swyftx staking, Kusama, Polkadot, Polygon, and Cosmos also yield over 10% RPY. Meanwhile, other digital assets like Solana and Cardano have slightly lower reward rates. And this is usually due to a higher volume of people already staking on the network. Of course, how much you can make will also come down to how much you decide to stake. So on Swyftx, the minimum amount is the equivalent of $1 AUD. That being said, Swyftx does have a staking cap for each coin. Once that cap is reached, you can no longer stake any additional coins for that particular cryptocurrency up until someone unstakes their coins or the cap is increased. Okay, now on to the actual steps, what you've been waiting for, how to start staking on Swyftx. Okay, first, let's run through the basic steps of staking on Swyftx. So to start off, either create a new Swyftx account or sign into your existing account. If you're a first-time user, complete the verification steps to begin trading on Swyftx, and you'll need a government-issued identification for this process. Then from the dashboard, navigate to the Deposit AUD tab to add funds to your account. Next, purchase the desired amount of the coin you wish to stake, and once done, head over to the Staking tab. Select the coin you wish to stake by clicking the plus button next to its name, and from there you'll input the amount you wish to stake. Then you simply press stake, and you're done. And Swyftx doesn't have a lockup period for your staked tokens, so you can unstake them at any time. And to do this, just navigate back to the staking tab, press the minus symbol. And yep, it's that easy. And the process for staking on the Swyftx phone app is pretty much the same. Once you've deposited your funds, simply head over to the staking tab on the Swyftx app and press stake. Input your desired amount of cryptocurrency and watch it go to work. So what are the fees? Well, there are no fees to stake on Swyftx. Next question, what are the risks? Well, unlike keeping your money in a bank savings account, which is essentially risk-free, there are some risks you need to be aware of with staking. Just as when you buy and sell crypto, you can make a loss. For example, if you were staking a coin and earning a 5% APY, but the price of the coin then fell to 50%, you would ultimately still be at a loss. And then there are other risks depending on which coins you're staking. Like for example, if you're staking an altcoin, there may not be enough coins in circulation and you risk not being able to convert your staked coin back into Bitcoin or a stablecoin. Also worth considering, depending on what platform you use to stake, there are sometimes lockup periods where you can't access your coins for set periods of time. That being said, Swyftx has no lockup period for staking, which means you can stake and unstake your assets at any time. So there you have it, that's how you stake on the Swyftx platform. Super easy. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, or don't, whatever. And if you want to check out the platform, I've left a link in the description below. Plus, if you've got any suggestions or comments about future videos that we should run, if you want to look at other things you can do on the Swyftx platform or other platforms, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.